Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Super Saiyan series. If you are new here and you are new to the series, my name is FitLifeWithVatsa, and this is where we become advanced versions of ourselves by 1, working towards reaching our fitness goals, number 2, by incorporating new habits, and number 3, by putting our procrastinated thoughts into action. 4 things that I am working on in this series is number 1, my very own fat loss journey, number 2, improving my flexibility because I feel like it has dropped over the years, and finally number 3, incorporating new habits such as reading and meditating daily. So we are currently in week 5 of the series, and this is how I'm currently looking. I started off at 182 pounds on April 2nd, and it's been we completed 4 weeks, so this is my 30-day transformation. Currently at the moment I'm weighing in at around 177 pounds. I will go over everything I've been doing from day 1 in another video, but for now I'm going to be sharing a recipe of a meal that I've been personally having from the last couple of weeks, and it's also a video a lot of you on Instagram have asked for, so here it is. Today we'll be making some high protein pancakes. Super easy, super quick, and trust me, super delicious. The point of these recipe videos is not to show you that I'm a chef, because I'm not. It's to show you how we can incorporate the already existing foods we all know of into our diet and still continue to hit our fitness goals.
You serious?
I am here to show you that you don't have to eat salads and bland food all day to lose weight, guys. You can eat your favorite foods by making small tweaks to the recipe so that they are calorie friendly, and most importantly, all the recipes that I make will have the calories calculated for you. So all you need to do is follow it, make it, and enjoy, and just as long as you're in a calorie deficit, you will continue to make progress in the gym and you will continue to lose weight. As simple as that, guys.
So let's do this thing!
So in today's recipe, the main ingredient I'm going to be using is the Kodiak pancake mix. Now I know you get this everywhere abroad, but I don't know if you get this in India. If you don't, then this video might not be for you, but don't worry about it. I will be making another pancake recipe video without this mix, okay? So with that out of the way, let's jump into the recipe. So the first thing you will need, as I already mentioned, is the Kodiak pancake mix. I think you get a total of 3 flavors. You get buttermilk, dark chocolate, and cinnamon oats. Out of the 3, I love the dark chocolate, which is why I stick to that. Now if you see the macros on this, each serving is 53 grams and it's a total of 190 calories. And from that you get 30 calories, 30 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, and 14 grams of protein. The macros on this are not too bad, but what I like to do is bump up the protein, and let me show you how I do that. So in a bowl, take 1 serving of the Kodiak pancake mix. Get yourself a kitchen scale, guys. It is one of the best investments you can make for yourself. If you are trying to lose weight, you need to be able to track your calories, and a kitchen scale will help you with that. So 53 grams of the pancake mix in a bowl. To that we will add 1 whole egg plus 2 servings of liquid egg whites. You get these liquid egg whites in any store, guys. Each serving is 46 grams, so we will be taking a total of 2 servings, which is 92 grams. And I think this will give you the perfect consistency. It's not going to be too liquidy, or it's not going to be too thick. It's going to be just about right. And that's pretty much it, guys. You don't have to add anything else to this. If you'd like, you can add a pinch of cinnamon, but apart from that, you don't have to add milk, you don't have to add water, nothing else. I think the consistency, like I said, will be perfect. So just go ahead and mix this up really well. Then you just take a non-stick pan on medium flame, spray a bit of cooking spray, and start pouring the mix into the pan, just like this. Once you start seeing small bubbles or pores on the top, that's usually a sign that it's time to flip it. Cook the other side for a few minutes and we are good to go. And just look at that. And it is that simple, guys, and trust me, it tastes so good. So this entire recipe is a total of 310 calories, of which and you are getting 33 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, and now it has 30 grams of protein. We just bumped up the protein by more than half. So definitely give this recipe a try, guys. I promise you, you will love it. And usually to the pancakes, I add 1 tablespoon of butter to the top, along with 1 serving of sugar-free syrup. Now the butter that I use is the I Can't Believe It's Not Butter, as that is lower in calories. So 1 tablespoon of that is just 60 calories. And instead of using normal maple syrup or honey, I use this sugar-free syrup. And 1 serving of this is 30 ml and it is just 15 calories. So with all these add-ons, the entire meal is just 385 calories, guys, and you are getting 39 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fat, and 30 grams of protein, which is still, I think, 1/3 the calories of normal pancakes and syrup. So these are some of the smart swaps you can make to still enjoy the foods that you love having, and at the same time they're calorie friendly. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a like and also hit the subscribe button down below, and do share this video with others. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.